Jakas pen keng kam ka jador rapet Japan Karbi Students Union Jakas along kaching bedun. Ingkoi rapli hampang songja panta draft committee along amen thap nangji. Hampang songja tum Karbi anglong tu namas council as EM apan pinpuralo tupajil. Asamis alam arjan bikhador rati along rahul jesong beka cepar jandun. Adaba birtalong penili Villarban Krupi non birtang ton pen RJ tha Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State Mate Jakas pen kengkam kachjo rapet Japan Karbi Students Union KSU atum pai ke thom arni Jakas along chingbe dun tanglo KSU atum Jakas ahong japen longri kaching hon lapen rachari pothak cherok tawasai kedeng ponja lam tar KSU songja atum ningje
pai ke thomar ni difu farmer court center along phong deng Jakas ke sengani katalon hutsi KSU tum Jakas along chingbe dun Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council penon hejong kiseng draft committee along ingkora pho hampang songja phanta parlopon nang jipusi pinpura lopen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council as EM tuliram rong hangapan ipak pinpura lopajir draft committee along kethap nang jiatum amen lake ingkora pli asongja bidisar je ai kathar mai phoroton tera Rajesh Tiso Thansing rong hang Thorom Singh Teron Samson Teron angtong intikathar Juna Singh Terang Babu Singh rong hang Bida Kiling cleared up terang Dili Pranjal Kro Thorom Singh rong hang Sonju Tokbi Avinas rong hang Tong Thang Tau Thang Dr. Mutilal Nunisa Lapen Advocate Abi Reng Mahenlo Karbi alam arjan along kachipar jandun berahon siri Rahul Chesong B Bikhador Rati Pala Samis alam arjan along chipar jandun pusi kat news along biarta nang pali Labang so alam arjan kason se along kachirap donatum lake choreography jitul timong mohor kinep Abhijit Das kason se Rupam Hukon alam arjan along Kurobi Phangchopi chipar jandun Karbi Anglong bithebi thalong ta bikhador rati alam arjan kepaklang jiaphat kachisik kachedang bomalam tabirta long thu Namalam sopor phan birta mo ingtumpan iksina
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্জ জুচ বাই দি ৱে তো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰসৰটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্জ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্জ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
কাঞ্জ জুচ
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang salahormu ason salam pontanglo lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesire alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam thu tharmit aduk thelua kreng Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ingji.
Dihin amo phipu thor bir talang huwang thula. Difu Farmers Growth Center along Pai Pai Kethom Arni Phoang Deng Jakas Mate Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State Keseng Arni Talon Song Keseng Arni National Federation for New States Asong Japo Lapen Apsu Asong Japo Promote Boro Lapen Arya Sang Hotup Nang Chetong Dun Jakazamai Jutko P National Federation for New States NFNS Asong Japo Tum Birta Mai Tap Hapon Kiramtang MP Kilig Hud Hempra Ke Hanga Song Tum BJP Arang Pajir Podunlo MP Kilig Tap Bahai Thorlo Bonta Kilig Haidet Api Hempra Ke Hanga Song Tum Tenidat Lasi None Prang MP Kilig Alok Ke BJP Alok Pajir Podundelo Pusi NFNS Amai Pubarin Sri Hari Ane Perangkia Phan Pachini Teka Halapu Apsio Amai Pu Promote Boro Hinpenta Nonapong MP Kilig Ke BJP Phan Rabdun Dei Pusi Ningje Sarkar pen kedeng Higher Education Commission of India HECI Act 2018 na draft ke hampang phanta alia ve pusi Assam University Difu Campus Teachers Association atum mas tharna la pen rili ke pado pensi aning ke dokde angthek sarkar phan chepaklang HECI Act 2018 upon All India Federation of University and College Teachers Organization atum ke chesongalong Difu Campus thanbang song atum na ardapum thipchi puta thanbang atum cheparai Sonkri Sike Hangangbong NPS Pabenangji University la pen college along thanbang akoy papleng etnangji HECI aron Prapjin pen Pabenangji hayu hello thanbang asong atum pro censor la phatipak pipro lota pajir la pen ke mang ason papleng nangji pusike hang padu
University Difu Campus Teachers Association against to Ministry of Human Resource and Development against the policies of the teachers of this country. So, as you know, very recently, Government of India came up with a new act in order to rule the higher education of this country. At present, University Grants Commission is ruling this country. Their own interest, whoever support the Government of India, they will be allocating. So that we question, we will not to let them to rule this country in 2019. So on behalf of association, we strongly condemn. We want to UGC immediately.
Adaba biota bang kela pas kangton puniklo domi thagmi kurbang thu